Are you facing sync issues between your iPhone and Apple Watch? This usually happens due to connection problems, outdated software, or settings not being aligned. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix sync issues on Apple Watch from iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your Apple Watch and iPhone are close to each other. Make sure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on. And finally, make sure that airplane mode is turned off on both your iPhone and Apple Watch. Now try these solutions. Solution 1. Reset sync data. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, now tap on General. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Now simply tap on Reset Sync Data. Solution 2. Unpair and repair Apple Watch. Open the Watch app. Tap My Watch from the bottom of the screen. Now tap All Watches from the top left corner. Then tap on the info icon next to the added watch. Tap Unpair Apple Watch. Again, tap Unpair Apple Watch. Then repair your Apple Watch. Hope your sync issues with Apple Watch from iPhone are solved now. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and solutions. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.